You guys think I don't know how to dance. Let me tell you. Oh, try me now. Try me. What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, karibu sana to my channel. Yes, I so much welcome with a lot of love here. Hey, the English, my English is different today. Yeah, so guys, today I'm excited because I just want to make juice. I feel thirsty. You know, I have danced a lot for you guys, and I have to drink some juice. I have to get some juice and, you know, cool myself down. Yeah, and if you know you can do better than me, hey, comment down below. Yeah, how have you been? How is the new year? Yes, this is 2022. Hey, I'm so excited about this year because, you know, this is our year to grow and win together. So if you want to grow with me, if you want to win with me, subscribe to this channel and tell me what are your plans for 2022. Yeah, what are you planning to do? And you know, let's pray for each other. Be confident about this year, and every day when you wake up, every morning, tell this to yourself: this is my year to win, and this is my year of success. This is an extraordinary year. Yes. Yeah, so I don't want to go in further. I just want us to do this cocktail. Yeah, so I normally do videos whereby I'm doing a gain weight movie. Yes, and I've taken a lot without weighing myself, but I'm planning to do this, and I want to show you how many kgs I have gained so far. And remember guys, I told you before when I was starting to do my smoothie videos, I told you I want to gain more weight. Yes, and I was having 59 kgs. I'm hopeful and confident that I have gained some, not a lot of it. Yeah, because you know, gaining weight is a process. Yeah, so but I have the confidence that I have gained some weight. Probably I'll be able to share in one of the videos I'll be shooting. Yeah, but how have you been? I missed you guys. Did I miss you? I post every day, but of course I miss you because you guys, I don't see you, but you're able to see me. But I'm so thankful. Interact with me in the comment section and tell me how you are, what you're planning to do, and you know, let's pray together, let's grow together, let's glow together, and let's win together. Yeah, so what do I have in this video, and what are we even making today? I'm doing cocktail. I think most of you always wonder why I always buy half stuff, and as you can see, this is melon. This is pineapple, and this is purple. Yeah, so it's just because that I don't have a fridge, so I buy stuff that I'm pretty sure I'm going to use as per that time. Yeah, so that is why most of the time you see me buying stuff. Yeah, so, and you know, we are growing on budget, on budget. I don't want people to be like, hey, these are things for people who are rich, those are things for people who have money. Guys, on budget, we've spent like 90, okay, 100 on this, on what we are going to make. And what am I having? I have a watermelon, I have mango, I have pineapple, I have a purple, and I have a carrot. Not a must for you to use all this. You can try to do a melon juice. Basically 2 of these are even enough for you to enjoy that juice. Or you can even decide to make a mango juice if you are alone. 2, this is enough for you. Or you can even decide to do a purple juice, yeah. Or you can even decide to do a carrot juice. It depends on what you have. There are so many recipes for juice, very many, they're uncountable. Yeah, but what do you want as a person? That matters a lot. Yeah, so me, I want to do tropical because it's mixed. It's not a melon alone, or it's not a mango alone. Yeah, it's a melon, a mango, carrot, a pineapple, purple juice. Yeah, so let's get started. guys, we are done with what we are going to blend, and that is melon, pineapple, carrot, and mango. Yeah, I want to put some sugar. A little bit. So guys, it is time for us to blend our juice. Let's get started. Yeah, so we are ready, and this is can my camera do this thing? Yeah, so we are ready. So I'm going to use a sieve. If you have a big sieve, it is okay. Of course, when you're sieving it, if you have a small bucket, you can use that. But I'm using this because I want you guys to see what I'm doing. I'm using a glass because I don't have anything transparent. So guys, my juice is ready, and this is incredible, this is beautiful, this is sweet. Hey, yummy. Cheers. Cheers. It is really good. This is so very good. It it is really nice, and you should try it out and you give me a feedback in the comment section below. So that was it for my video. I won't take it any further because I have a long way to go. Yeah, so I will save this other one later. So make sure that if you are planning to make a lot of juice, you have a bigger sieve than what I have, because if you have a small one, you're going to take the whole day, you're going to spend a lot of time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next or the other videos. If you haven't watched my videos on how to gain weight, yeah, I have some videos for smoothies. You can try them out and give me a feedback. I was going to say give us a feedback, but I realized I am me. Yeah, but okay, not only me, by the way. No. Give us a feedback. I mean me and us who are watching. Yeah, thank you so much. I love you guys. Bye.